Not guilty. All eyes on Baltimore tonight as the verdict for Officer Edward Nero is reached. Nero is acquitted on all charges in connection with the arrest of Freddie Gray. He is the second officer of 6 to be tried. And WJZ is live complete coverage of the Officer Nero verdict. Megan McCorkle has reaction from local leaders. Marcus Washington is in West Baltimore hearing from members of our community. But we begin with WJZ investigator Mike Helgren outside Courthouse East with a verdict and what it all means going forward. Mike?
Mary, this is not the order that prosecutors initially wanted to try these cases, and the judge made clear he felt Officer Nero's involvement in all this was minimal. His father said after the verdict that he cried tears of joy. Officer Edward Nero left court under heavy guard moments after Judge Barry Williams acquitted him of all charges in the Freddie Gray case. Inside, he wept after the judge announced the not guilty verdicts.
If he was found guilty, I believe many officers would have been hesitant to do the right thing when it came time to dealing with crime because they would be afraid to be prosecuted. And that's what the prosecution was trying to do. So it's not just a victory for my son, it's a victory for all police officers, including the other 5.
Nero was a bicycle officer who responded to Gray's initial arrest and helped load him into the van where Gray suffered spinal injuries that would later kill him and ignite riots.
This was at best a close case, and Judge Williams' opinion was well thought out and reasonable under the circumstances.
Prosecutors built their case on an unusual legal theory that the arrest was unlawful and therefore an assault. But Judge Williams, who spent much of his own career prosecuting police misconduct, found the evidence just wasn't there, and that it was another officer, Garrett Miller, who made the arrest.
The judge was not satisfied that he had custody over Freddie Gray.
In acquitting on the reckless endangerment charge, Judge Williams said Officer Nero's supervisor, Lieutenant Brian Rice, or the van driver, Officer Caesar Goodson Jr., should have seen that Gray was secured with a seatbelt. And a new police general order mandating seatbelts was not properly distributed to officers.
It's going to take a lot of evidence to show that an officer should be held criminally responsible.
The Fraternal Order of Police president called the prosecution political. The state's attorney's office, he said, responded to riots and violence in Baltimore by rushing to charge these officers rashly and without any meaningful investigation. They seized on a political opportunity and in the process destroyed 6 lives. The court has already posted the full 25-page transcript of the judge's ruling. It is unclear whether prosecutors will ask for a new judge going forward. As for Officer Nero, he remains on administrative duty pending the outcome of a police investigation into his conduct. Denise?
All right, thank you very much, Mike. Now, WJZ's live complete coverage continues with Megan McCorkle, who is also outside Courthouse East with reaction from top city leaders, including the mayor. Megan?
Well, Denise, community leaders are reacting to the not guilty verdict, saying this trial is the justice that the city asked for. As Officer Edward Nero learns his fate, local leaders call for acceptance of the not guilty verdict.
This is what justice looks like.
Congressman Elijah Cummings, a prominent figure during last April's unrest, says the case was tried in Baltimore City and decided by a Baltimore judge. He believes the decision's fair.
A lot of people may not like the decision, but in a justice system like ours, you cannot guarantee results.
A sentiment echoed by Mayor Stephanie Rawlings Blake, who says in part, this is our American system of justice and police officers must be afforded the same justice system as every other citizen in this city, state, and country. While the criminal case against Officer Nero is now complete, police officials say an internal investigation is still underway. Police Commissioner Kevin Davis says he remains committed to building a relationship of trust and respect in the community, saying, we will continue this journey together as we strive for safer neighborhoods and policing practices consistent with the expectations of our residents. As for Congressman Cummings, he says Baltimore must set an example.
While Baltimore may do well overall, it's not going to do well unless we all rise together.
A change that could arise out of tragedy. And Democratic mayoral nominee Catherine Pugh is also reacting, calling for calm across the city. We're live near Courthouse East. Megan McCorkle, WJZ Eyewitness News.
All right, thank you, Megan. And our live complete coverage continues with Marcus Washington. He's in West Baltimore and has reaction from the neighborhood where Freddie Gray grew up and where he was arrested. Marcus?
Well, Denise, after the verdict was announced, it took some time for many people out here at Penn North to hear about it. But once they did, many people in disbelief, some questioning, was justice really served? As word spread that Edward Nero was found not guilty on all charges connected to the arrest and death of Freddie Gray, the conversations about the verdict sparked throughout Penn North in West Baltimore.
Everybody's still not looking at the fact where did he get into that before he got in that cruiser.
With each minute passing, more people hearing the news for the first time.
Right. I think the community is not surprised by the verdict, and that we will seek some semblance of justice through the trial process, and we must understand that it's 5 more trials to go. Let's stay calm and let's let justice play out.
With each person's discovery, an expression of disappointment and frustration.
What do you think they're going to do if they can't get a misdemeanor?
When it comes to justice in this case, it depends on who you ask. Take 67-year-old Fleetwood Hall.
He got a trial, and whatever the verdict is, I have to accept that. But by the same token, it's not going to be business as usual. At the least, you know, he was held accountable. That's all we ask for sometimes, be held accountable.
Now, this is the neighborhood where Freddie Gray was arrested, just a few blocks from where I'm standing now. So you can imagine many people right here in the community say they are invested in each of these trials, and they will be paying close attention. Reporting live tonight from Penn North, I'm Marcus Washington. Mary, back to you.